Installing VMware ESXi for virtual servers. VMware ESXi is a Type 1 hypervisor used to create and manage virtual servers directly on physical hardware. It allows multiple virtual machines, VMs, to run on a single physical server, making a foundational tool in modern data centers. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing VMware ESXi and setting up your virtual server environment. 1. System requirements. Before installing ESXi, ensure your server hardware meets the following: a 64-bit x86 CPU, preferably multi-core, at least 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB or more recommended, 1 or more NIC's network interface cards, storage controller and disk space, at least 10 GB free. Hardware compatibility with the VMware Compatibility Guide VCG. 2. Downloading ESXi. Visit the VMware website and register for a free account. Download the VMware vSphere Hypervisor ESXi ISO image. 3. Creating bootable media. Use tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB drive with the ESXi ISO. Alternatively, you can burn the ISO to a CD/DVD if your server has an optical drive. 4. Installing ESXi. Insert the bootable USB or CD into the server and power it on. Enter the BIOS/UEFI settings and set the USB/CD as the primary boot device. The ESXi installer will load. Press Enter to start installation. Accept the license agreement. Select the disk where ESXi will be installed. Choose your preferred keyboard layout and set a root password. Wait for the installation to complete, then remove the installation media. Reboot the system when prompted. 5. Initial configuration. After installation, you'll see the Direct Console User Interface, DCUI. Use it to set a static IP address, subnet mask, and DNS. Configure hostname and management network settings. You can now manage the ESXi host using a web browser. 6. Accessing ESXi web interface. Open a browser and enter the IP address of your ESXi host, e.g., https://192.168.1.100. Log in using the root credentials you set earlier. From the dashboard, you can create virtual machines, monitor resources, manage storage and networks. 7. Creating a virtual machine. Click Create/Register VM. Choose Create a new virtual machine. Name your VM. Select compatibility and guest OS. Allocate CPU, RAM, and disk space. Attach ISO for OS installation. Finish setup and power on the VM to install the guest OS. Conclusion: installing VMware ESXi enables efficient use of server resources by running multiple virtual machines on a single physical host. With an enterprise-grade performance, robust management tools, and free version for basic use, ESXi is an excellent choice for businesses and IT professionals looking to build scalable virtual environments.